Hi, welcome to my Christmas in July. This is Homebody with Lisa. Be sure you go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my contents. And be sure to follow me on Instagram at Homebody with Lisa. Okay, loves, so let me just briefly tell you where the items came from that I have in my Christmas in July short living room tour. So the lamps came from Z Gallery. The actual vase that I have sitting next to the lamps came from Home Goods. This pic here is super cute. It came from a local Houston Christmas warehouse. I forgot the name of that warehouse. And the actual silver candles here actually came from Ross last year. They're super cute. The actually purple coasters came from Home Goods. The actual, what are these? I can't even think right now. The nesting tables came from Z Gallery. My accent chair came from Pier 1. The purple pillow here came from Tuesday Morning. The throw came from Z Gallery. This mirror in the top here came from Z Gallery. My ginger jar in the back there came from Home Goods. The stand also came from Home Goods. The purple pillows on my couch came from Z Gallery. The Merry and Bright pillow came from TJ Maxx. The white picture in the middle came from Home Goods. Sconces from Z Gallery. My drapes came from Home Goods. The plaque in the middle of my drapes in the window came from Pier 1. This particular ginger jar on this accent side table came from Tuesday Morning. The purple box came from Z Gallery. This accent side table here came from At Home. Moving to the coffee table. Coffee table came from Rooms to Go. The purple candle holders came from Z Gallery. The reindeer here came from the Houston Nutcracker Market last year. And coffee table came from Rooms to Go. And that sums up my Christmas in July living room tour. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.